Everyone. This is our math lesson for week 3. And this week we are talking about word problems. Word problems can be so confusing. I never know if I should add or subtract. There must be a strategy that I can use to solve these problems. Maybe this video will help. So we're going to watch a short little video. Hold on, All right, here we go.
Welcome to Kids Academy.
In the comments below. And today we're going to be looking at some word problems. We're going to read the directions really carefully, and read the word problems even more carefully. Let's get started right away. Birthday word problems. Read each word problem. Circle the correct operation, plus or minus, to complete the equation. Then, add or subtract the numbers and circle the correct total. So in this worksheet, we're going to have to read the problems really carefully. Figure out whether the problem is asking us to add or subtract, and then solve the problem. Let's get started right away. Matt is really excited for his 7th birthday party. Matt is hanging balloons around. He has 5 blue balloons and 6 purple balloons. How many balloons does he have in total? Whenever I see a word problem, I like to read the whole thing first. Then I'm going to go back and reread the problem and underline the important information. Let's go back and reread and underline the important information. Matt is hanging balloons around. That's cool, but not so important for our problem. He has 5 blue balloons. That's some important information. Let's make sure to underline that. And 6 purple balloons. Another piece of important information that we should underline. How many balloons does he have in total? In total. There's my clue word. I think we're going to have to figure out how many blue balloons and purple balloons we have together. So let's draw my blue balloons. I know that there are 5 blue balloons. I also know that there are 6 purple balloons. So now that I have my drawing of my purple and blue balloons, I have to really think deeply. I have 5 blue balloons and 6 purple balloons. And we want to know the total. Do you think we're going to be putting these balloons together and adding them up, or taking some balloons away? In this problem, nowhere does it say that a kid popped a balloon or a kid took a balloon home. Nowhere the number of balloons is getting smaller. If anything, the number of balloons is going to get larger because we have to find the blue balloons and the purple balloons added together. We're going to be adding in this problem to find out the total. The word total usually gives you a clue that this is an addition problem. So let's count our balloons or add them together. I know we have 5 in the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But let's keep counting to find out the total. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I think there's 11 balloons. But let's just write 5 plus 6 and check one more time. Choose the strategy of counting on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. So this problem asks us to add the balloons, and it gives us a total of 11 balloons, both blue and purple. Let's read the next problem just as carefully and see if it wants us to add or subtract. At the very same birthday party, Matt and his friend ate pizza for dinner. There were 12 pizzas. The children ate 7 of them. How many pizzas were left over? Okay, good. We read the whole problem. But now let's back up and reread the problem and underline the important information. Of course, we'll draw the pizzas. Unfortunately, we can't eat the pizzas. Matt and his friends ate pizza for dinner. Sounds tasty, but not that important to our problem. There were 12 pizzas. That sounds like a fact. There were 12 pizzas there. Doesn't sound like we're getting any more pizzas, but let's keep reading. The children ate 7 of them. Another piece of important information. When you eat pizza, does the pizza disappear, or do you get an extra pizza? When I eat pizza, it usually disappears into my stomach. That's like taking pizza away, which is just like subtracting. But let's keep reading before we make that decision. How many pizzas were left over? So it seems like it wants to know how many pizzas were left after the kids ate 7. Now, if you ate 7, are we adding or subtracting? Well, let's draw our 12 pizzas. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pizzas. Now I ate 7 pizzas. Like I said before, those pizzas are disappearing, or we're taking them away, or we are subtracting those pizzas. So let's cross out the 7 pizzas that the kids ate to find out the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So how many pizzas are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pizzas left over. So I think the answer is 5. 12 minus 7 equals 5. But let's write that, 12 minus 7, and use our strategy of counting back to see if 12 minus 7 really equals 5. 12, remember, don't count 12. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. I have 5 fingers up. 12 minus 7 is 5. Boys and girls, remember, when you have a word problem, you have to figure out whether it's an addition or subtraction problem. Look for clues like total or left over, and then draw pictures to help you imagine the problem and figure out the answer. Great job, boys and girls. See you next time.
Awesome. All right. So when you're solving word problems, it's like you're a detective. You're looking for keywords to know what to do. So what are some of the keywords that you're looking for? For addition, you're going to look for words like all together, in all, or joined in. Remember, addition, you're taking 2 parts and you're putting it together to find the whole thing. In subtraction, the keywords you're looking for are how many are left, gave away, how many more, and how many are missing. Remember, how many more can be confusing. You see the word more and you think, oh, I need to add because there's more. Nope. How many more means subtract. So please remember that. If you forget, come back to this video or this presentation to look, okay? So let's give an example. Jonah had 7 pencils and Helen had 10. How many fewer pencils did Jonah have? How many fewer means we subtract. So we start off with 10 because remember, in subtraction, we start off with the biggest number. 10 take away 7 equals 3. How do I know that? It's always good to draw a picture. So whenever you're doing math, try not to just do it in your head. Try to draw a picture. So we drew 10 lines, okay? Take away 7 of them, and then how many are left? 3. Tony had 7 puppies in his yard. Aw. He gave 4 of them away to nice families. Oh, that's so sweet. How many puppies does Tony have left? Have left means something was taken away, so you subtract. Okay, so we start off with 7, that's the biggest number, and then we take away 4, and how many are left? Well, let's draw a picture. Draw 7 lines, take away 4 of them. How many are left? We have 1, 2, 3. 3 are left. So remember, you're looking for these keywords to know if I'm adding or subtracting. So this is really important right here to always come back and look at this, okay? Addition keywords means all together, in all, joined in. Subtraction keywords is how many are left, gave away, how many more, and how many are missing. Awesome. Thank you so much, you guys. Hope this helped.